Hello, my name is Frederick Nnamdi Dipembo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. I teach you how to maximize the potentials of your smartphone to boost your productivity and profitability. If you'd love to keep watching videos from, kindly subscribe on the button below, and just beside is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from me. You can choose from a variety of GIFs to make your charts fun. So you will need an external application where you can use to generate GIFs. SwiftKey already has that inbuilt. Stickers also help to make your chats fun. I like sending stickers during chats on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, wherever. So the SwiftKey also has inbuilt sticker packs, lots of them that you can download and use during your chats. SwiftKey also offers the Clipboard function, or the Clipboard feature, that collects all of your copied and cut text, and in the Clipboard you can actually pin the ones that you want to be using subsequently, alright, so it don't get lost. One of the beautiful features of SwiftKey is the translate function. So imagine you're having a conversation with somebody that you do not understand his or her language, for instance French, right? With SwiftKey you can set up the translate such that it will be translating for you from English to French, and as well from French to English. All you do is just turn on the translate, then you type in your own sentence and it translates to French. So when the reply comes in French, you copy the French, alright, and paste it, then swap from French to English, okay, and get the French sentence in English. This feature makes it possible to type with one hand. I use this feature a lot. Like, you can search for an information on Google without leaving the page. Like maybe someone asks you for something, you can search it up on Google immediately and give the answer without leaving the chat. Tell me where you are right now, full stop. In draw typing, you just have to draw along all of the letters that you want to type, okay, and you'll be seeing them appear on your screen. So it helps you to also type faster. If you like that video, I guess you want to keep receiving videos as awesome and value-packed as this. So all you have to do is to click the subscribe button down below, and just beside the subscribe button is a bell icon. Tap on the bell to turn on notifications, and you'll be the first to know when we release a fresh video. Thank you.